One of the common problems that can happen with 996 and also the Boxster, because they share a common component, is that the hinge on the centre console can break off. It's made of plastic, so it's not particularly robust. If you move it too far back, then yeah, the plastic can snap, as has happened here. So you can buy a replacement part from Porsche, which is about £35, but it literally is just a hinge, and I found some hinges on eBay that were the correct size, which is 2.5 inches, and I've cut it down and been able to use it instead of the replacement part. So I was just going to show you what I actually did. So the hinge comes like this. So what I was looking for is one that had 5 equally spaced sections of the hinge. So you can then split the hinge, take the centre pin out. You may need to use a Dremel or similar to take the end cap off so that the pin can then come out. So you then end up with it in 2 pieces. This is the piece you can discard, and then you have the one that you're actually going to use. What you then need to do though is to use again a Dremel to take the centre piece off, so you just have the 2 outer sections that you can then thread the pin through, which will hold it in place. And literally that is all that needs to be done. So this cost me £2 rather than 35. A small saving, but I just like the option of being able to do something myself rather than having to get the part from Porsche. So that's the fix. Just need to refit it in the car. There are some screws you'll need to be able to attach it to the rest of the centre console, and this came with screws, so I'll be able to use those, and then it should be good as new.